In your health alert, with the cold and flu season upon us, doctors have some advice on ways to keep illnesses from spreading throughout your household. They say try to separate family members who are sick from the rest of the family and be sure to wear high-grade face masks around anyone that's ill. Medical experts warn that the flu has a 25% attack rate. That means for everyone who gets it, a quarter of the people that they're in close contact with that person will also come down with the illness. Doctors say to be sure to keep homes well ventilated and to avoid sharing any food or drinks with infected people. Also, frequent hand washing. Pretty good idea as well.
So when was the last time you actually went to your doctor? Your gender could determine your response, with men less likely than women to see their healthcare provider. Fox News' Sue Guzman takes a look at the gender health gap and why health experts say it's critical men take more steps to protect their well-being.
With all the excitement surrounding Thanksgiving and Black Friday, we can forget that November also marks National Men's Health Awareness Month.
Men's health issues are extremely important.
And since men in the U.S. tend to die earlier than women,
men are dying on average 4.5 years earlier than women for largely preventable reasons.
Doctors are using this time to sound louder alarms as they call on more men to take control over their health, especially when the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reports men are 33% less likely to visit their doctor than women.
Common misconceptions about men's health are that you're going to feel bad if you have something wrong with you, or that you don't need to go to the doctor until something is terribly wrong. And these impact men in a negative way.
According to the CDC, the leading causes of death for men of all races include heart disease and cancer. But with many men failing to get routine checkups, other medical issues may fly under the radar until it's too late. Early detection of a health problem could lead to earlier treatment and chip away at the gender health gap.
Over 10 million men globally are facing prostate cancer diagnosis. Testicular cancer is the #1 cancer in young men. And across the world, 1 man dies of suicide every minute of every day.
Besides actually going to doctors, physicians say it's critical more men adjust their lifestyles to prevent falling victim to other health issues.
Quit smoking, exercise, eating a healthy diet, making sure that your sugars are well controlled, that your blood pressure is well controlled. All of these things work to creating a healthier, happier you.
Sue Guzman, Fox News.